How to send audio in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to talk about the ways to send audio in WhatsApp. If you want to send audio in WhatsApp, then you have to follow these steps. So open up a WhatsApp application and then open up the chat. So when you open up your chat, at the bottom of the page you can see this paperclip icon. Press that, click on audio, and now locate the audio that you want to send it. So select that and click the arrow icon. Once you actually tap on the send button, you'll be able to send audio to the following user. And likewise, audio also includes sending a voice message. So if you want to send a voice message, you could see this green icon at the bottom of the page in the right hand side corner. You could hold on to it and then speak about a minute or maybe seconds what you want to deliver a message as, and then leave your hands when you're done typing in, when you're done convincing when you're done with the message. So this way you could send an audio. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.